Good morning, class. Today we are going to begin with chapter number 13, that is sound. So, children, what is sound? Now, some sounds are depicted in the picture below. Have you heard these sounds? Put a tick mark in the box if you have and cross the wrong if you have not. What words are used in your locality to denote these sounds? Write them below. Now, what is this? What is the girl doing? She is singing, a bird chirping, the crackers are bursting, the girls are talking, the policeman is whistling, the boy is playing flute, honking, and this is barking. Honking of the horn, and this is barking of the dog. Now these are some of the sounds you have heard, you daily hear. Yes, children? So now what is sound? Which sound do you hear during the recess? The school bell. When there is silence in the classroom, close your eyes and sit quietly. Which sounds in your surroundings can you hear now? You can do this. Now for 1 minute, close your eyes, stop moving, stop talking. So just try to hear, just try to listen. Which sounds do you hear? What sounds are you able to listen? There are so many, so many kinds of music around us. Here, children, you have to take care of, try to listen. What is that? When there is, prepare a common list of all these sounds and discuss them. You will see that there is a lot of diversity in the innumerable sounds that we hear. Now classify these sounds in two ways, that is soft, loud, and pleasant and unpleasant. So children, we can discuss with these also. Now if a girl is singing, it is soft, chirping, soft, and you have to classify in pleasant or unpleasant also. So pleasant, again this is unpleasant. This is what? Unpleasant. This is unpleasant. Barking of a dog is unpleasant. So you have to classify them into pleasant or unpleasant. Right, children? Now, how are sounds produced? How are sounds produced? How? When a song is being played on a radio or a music system in the house, place your hand on its speaker. What do you feel? Put off the music. What do you feel now? Now, almost everybody has a mobile phone. When your mobile phone is ringing, just keep your hand on the speaker. What do you feel? When it is ringing, what do you feel? And when it is not ringing, what do you feel? What do you feel, children? You feel the vibration. Some sounds are loud and heard easily, while some others are very soft and cannot be heard unless we listen attentively. We like some sounds. On the other hand, we get annoyed by some other sounds. Now, children, about the phone, the speakers of your phone or the speakers in your house, what does happen? It vibrates. Moving further, take a rubber band and stretch it as it is shown in the picture. Stretch it. Pluck the stretched band. Apart from the movement of the rubber band, what else did you notice? Apart from the stretched band, when you stretch it, it gets stretched. No? Apart from it, you can see the vibration, the movement of the rubber band is there. What else do you notice? The vibration. Okay. Sound is also there along with vibration, along with the movement. Now you can see this tabla. You must have seen this, people play this. This is a musical instrument used for making music. So when it is played, vibration is there on the diaphragm of the tabla. This is the diaphragm. Movement is there, and because of the movement, the sound is produced. Understood, children? Why sound is heard? How sound is produced? It is heard because of the continuous movement, continuous vibration. Spread some sawdust or mustard seeds or sand on the diaphragm of a tabla. Now this is the diaphragm. On this spread what? Sawdust, mustard seeds or sand. Now knock the diaphragm lightly with a finger. Just knock. Just knock it. Knock. So what will happen? What do you see happening? So long as the tabla makes a sound, what happens when the sound stops, or what do we understand from these observation? Now children, when you will do this, now what will happen? As you play on the tabla, as you hit on the tabla, the seeds, the sand, the mustard seeds will jump. They will move. There will be a movement. There will be a vibration in them. Now because of this continuous movement, continuous vibration, sound is produced. Once you stop playing on the tabla, the vibration stops. The vibration stops, the sound also stops. Understood? So from this we can learn that sound is made from vibration. The objects that produce sound, that is the diaphragm of the speaker, the rubber band, the diaphragm of tabla, show a certain movement. That is, they have a certain kind of motion. They oscillate rapidly. In other words, they vibrate. Understood, children? In a simple way, what is the simple language used here? It vibrates. The continuous movement is creating a vibration. The vibration of an object is necessary for the production of sound. Now, what is necessary for the production of sound? Continuous vibration. As long as the object vibrates, the sound is heard. When the vibration stops, the sound also stops. So from this it is very, very clear. Now sometimes you all keep your mobiles on silent. When you are somewhere out, you don't want to be disturbed. You keep your phones, you keep your cell phones on vibration, that is on silence. So even the vibration sound is produced. No, you can feel that vibration. Now you have kept that phone on silent. If you keep it in the normal mode, what will happen? The phone will ring. It will ring till the phone is vibrating. Once the vibration stops, the ringing also stops. The object due to which sound is produced is called the source of that sound. Now here we are learning something different. Now what is the source of sound? The source of sound is that object due to which the sound is produced. Now tabla is the source of sound. Now in case of mobile, that mobile is the source of sound. Understood, children? Now here use your brain power. When a metal dish falls on the floor, it makes a loud noise. What do we do to stop the noise? What is the effect of that action? Sorry. Now what happens? You just do that. Take something made up of steel, a metal. Just drop it. What will happen? That object, that is a bowl or a plate, it will keep on moving, vibrating. When the vibration stops, the sound also stops. The metal, the metal makes a sound, no? That tingling sound is there. that sound will stop. When that vibration stops, you pick up the metal dish, the sound will stop. What was making that sound? The metal dish. But when once the movement of that metal dish is stopped, the vibration stops, the sound is stopped. There is no sound. There is no sound without vibration. Vibration makes sound. The sound of a sitar, a bell, water that drops from a tap, a saucer that breaks on falling down. What is it that vibrates when these sounds are produced? Understood, children? Now, sitar, there are strings, the bell, the electronic bell, that is, in that electronic, that is, electromagnet is there. So, once it gets attached to the magnet, the metal gets attached to the magnet, the bell keeps on ringing. The moment you move your finger from the switch, from the bell switch, the bell will stop ringing. Understood, children? Moving further. Now, this is acoustics, the science of sound. Acoustics is what? The science of sound. Resonance, including the production, propagation and effects of sound, is called acoustics. The intensity of sound is measured in a unit called decibel. How it is measured? It is measured with a unit called decibel. Now its symbol is dB, small d and capital B. Children, this should be written as it is. D should be small and B should be capital. These are, you have to write these symbols as it is given. The intensity of sound is measured in which unit? Decibel. Now, decibel, symbol for decibel is small d and capital B. The vibration of the vocal cords in our larynx or voice box also produces sound. The voice box is located in our throat. The quality of the sound produced in the larynx depends upon the tautness of the vocal cords. Now, children, this is your throat. You can see the voice box is located here. The voice box is also called larynx. In the simple language, it is voice box. In the scientific language, it is called larynx. Understood? So, voice box and larynx is one and the same. Don't get confused. It is one and the same. Right, children? Now, the vibration of the vocal cords. Here, the vibration. When you speak, there is vibration here in the throat. Just keep your hand here. While speaking, you can feel the vibration in your throat. Now, the vibration of the vocal cords in the larynx or voice box also produces sound. It is the reason you are heard. When you speak, you are heard. This is due to the vibration produced in the larynx. Now, the quality of the sound produced. Now, the quality of your speaking, of your sound, which is produced in the larynx, it depends on the tautness of the vocal cords. Tautness is the tightness. It is how tight it is. On that it depends. Taut means tight. T-O-U-T-A-U-T. Tautness of the vocal cords. So our sound depends on the tautness of our vocal cords. Now in this diagram you can see it is the vocal cords, it is the voice box, larynx, and it is the trachea. You know what is trachea? The windpipe. Right, children? I hope you all have understood it. So, moving further, this is a small experiment on vibration. Take a pot filled with water, strike it lightly on its rim. It is here on the tops. Strike it slightly, very lightly you strike it. What will happen? You can see the movement in the water. Now you have taken a pot, filled it till the rim. Now just slightly shake. So what will happen? There will be movement seen in the water. What do you see? Why are the waves formed on the water in the pot? This is due to the vibration caused. Vibration in the water and the production of the sound. Now production, when you hit a metal with another metal, two metals are hit against each other, sound is produced. Now why is vibration? Vibration is because of the movement. So how is the sound heard? The sound is heard because of vibration, because of movement. Right children? This was all for today. We will continue in our next lecture. Till this time, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.